to the industrial standard.
Now, guided by the national goal for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promote cleaner, locally available energy sources, Kenya aims to achieve a complete transition to renewable energy by 2030. Now, Photo Energy Limited launched its 2025 sustainability report showcasing the company's achievements and future commitments in environmental, social, and governance (ESG) practices. The event brought together stakeholders in energy, safety, and environment.
Looking for financial institutions, looking for LPG oil marketing companies to partner with the government in terms of rollout of the LPG for schools program. We've been able to work on a schematic as the regulator. We, as I've said, we re-looked at the LPG regulations 2019. Now we have revised regulations of 2025 that have introduced licensing of installers, licensing of LPG cylinder manufacturers, which were not provided for in the legal notice 100 of 2019. This now sets the stage for us to be able to license manufacturers, be able to license installers, the way we do for electricity, to ensure that the quality of workmanship.
Now, with the global funding landscape shifting,